challenge, and I have my sister with me. So let's get started.
And then we'll just cover eyes.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wait. Oh, I did.
Oh.
I'm gonna mix them up.
Keep mixing them. Keep mixing them.
Darn it. Okay.
Okay. Dang. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, you can start picking them.
Okay. This one. This one. And this one. I think they're good.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. I'm gonna go with the white.
I'm gonna start off with this one. How much?
All of it. I'm gonna actually add the blue one. It's really pretty.
I'm gonna go ahead and add this
Oh my god, I
one.
really want
I really wanted that. This one.
this one? Oh, the pearlish one? It's
I hope
really...
this turns out cool. These are so cool,
I know. They don't like come out.
but they're so cool.
Okay. That's all that comes out. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna add this one. Hey!
Bro, this kind of reminds me of Christmas.
Christmas?
Yeah.
Oh, you make like a... She's making... What's it called? Okay.
Oh, you're not supposed to take the top off.
You're not?
No, there's like a thing.
It comes out easier. I think I'm gonna mix now. So
That's
this
how
is
mine is looking right now.
This is how mine is looking. I
Let's
really
hope
like the
it
pro
turns
one.
out cool. Whoa.
Wait, let's see. I think yours is gonna turn out like gold. Like roses gold.
Like rose gold.
Yeah. Hers is so pretty.
Should we get tatting the activator now?
Yeah.
Borax. Pass it my way.
I still need to add a little bit of more blue.
I'm gonna start mixing with my hands.
What?
Oh my god. Can you add a little bit more?
It's trying to be. I think I'm gonna mix with my. I need it. 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 Wait, what did you?
Nothing.
What did she go? Go? What did she do? Need. Little late. It flew out!
Ooh, that does work, guys. If you just go super fast. Ooh.
Excuse me, Alita. My
No, you just go patty.
Yours was already perfect.
No, it was too wiggly. Just a little bit. This consistency. Look at this.
No!
Oh my god. Look at this consistency. Look guys. Ah, that is
Look at
satisfying.
this.
No, yours is still super sticky. Look at mine. Look at mine.
Hurry, get off my hands.
Add more borax besides that point.
Well, Bill's. Okay, yeah, you guys have to comment down. Wait, let's do the bubble contest.
Oh, listen.
Everybody can hear that far away.
What?
I don't know what I just said. I think I need
Okay, I seriously need to make a bubble.
clear. You are a failure at bubble. Look at my bubble. I'm mad at you. Okay, one. Okay, this is my round one bubble. She lost on that one.
Get it to work.
I think someone doesn't know how to play with slime.
That's just not gonna work.
What is that? Okay, first, do you want to borrow?
This is how to make a slime bubble. How to make a slime bubble.
She said how to make a slime Bible.
Okay, go.
Okay. Oh, on you?
No, just teach me.
Like that.
I do that. Fat brothers, I do that. Excuse me, baby.
No! I think someone needs to do the laundry for hers.
Oh my god.
Someone needs to do a job right now. You scared me. Look, video. You guys will find out who's gonna get pie in their face.
So stay tuned for that.
Cause one person commented something.
Commented and requested for my face to get pied, but we're gonna do a competition.
We might do some pranks for each other.
So it's not that easy. Oh, and make sure to check out our introductory vlog so that you guys know what this channel is all about.
No! That's not for slime, you know. Don't get.
This is so much better than hers.
No, it isn't.
Oh, it for sure is. Most definitely is.
Bubble. Don't do that.
I'm gonna try and make a bubble.
Me too. When I think it's me. I think I'm gonna put it on the table. Ooh. How am I supposed to put it on the table? No. Okay.
Pancake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Break it and break it. Wait, what?
Do.
And put it with the tea and I don't know what. I'm moving everything. Look, mine is getting all my hands. Are you making a Krabby Patty? My nose is itchy.
I can't make a bubble.
Wait, we should do a bubble competition.
Okay, let's go.
I can't. Okay. Okay, you start first. Make your bubble.
Okay. It's about to be cold. Watch. Just watch.
Everybody knows how I'm gonna wait. Okay, that's your first bubble. My bubble. Okay, excuse me.
Yeah.
Wait, no. We get a second chance. There.
Okay. So, stay tuned to watch me
Yeah.
fail making bubbles. in
Wait, we haven't done our 5 rounds yet.
next videos. Yeah, okay, well, I'm gonna lose, so bye!
Bye, like and subscribe. Hit the notifications.
And don't forget to comment.
to do some pranks on her.